Well, if you're at home with the kids this March break and not sure what to do with them, how to keep them busy, DIY lifestyle expert Taylor Kaye has some tasty ideas inspired by St. Patrick's Day. Top of the morning to you a day early. How are you?
I know, I got my green on. I love these type of weeks, especially if there's March break and there's a theme day, then it's easy for DIYs, Bob, for the kids.
Well, how's March break going with the special Ks?
Well, I'm shipping them to your place after this segment, so.
it sounds like they're not up yet. Or lately.
No, there's one up. They're just playing. They play Roblox. After they finish this and they've been working on food, they're waiting to eat these cupcakes. That's what they're waiting for.
Oh, well, save one for me. How many special Ks are there, by the way?
There's 3.
Okay, I lost count. Yeah. I'm glad you haven't.
Okay, great. So, you know, it's still breakfast time in the house, and if you want to make something, we'll start with healthy first. And you know what? With green peppers, the way you could cut them in the morning, they could look like a flower when you're cutting them in slices. Or if you find the right green pepper at the grocery store, it could be a 4-leaf clover. And all you're going to do is put the green peppers on a frying pan, put the eggs in the middle, and then, you know, put it with your favorite side. So fruit or toast or whatever it is. So that's how we can start the day. You know, something healthy for the kids, right?
Yeah. And they have fun putting that together or helping mom.
Exactly. And then I've got my pot of gold cupcakes. It's actually my mom's birthday today, so she's getting these. She's in Hamilton. Yeah. So,
well, big shout out.
Big surprise. So these pot of gold cupcakes, your kids can keep busy for about 2 hours. So if you're working from home while they're on March break and they're doing a staycation, make cupcakes how you make them. Do you want to make them from scratch? I prefer a box, so that's easy. And then the fun part, I know, Bob, I'm a little extra. I'm the achievable mom, right?
Yeah.
So the fun part is decorating the cupcakes. And this is, so you've got green icing. And then what I do is I take the white icing for clouds, and then I have rainbow licorice for the rainbow. And then the pièce de résistance is the pot of gold. Grab like chocolate, like mini chocolate. So Reese's peanut butter or Rolo, whatever look like a pot of gold, put some icing on it, dip it in some gold sugar, and that's your pot of gold for your cupcake.
Okay, they look super yummy. Now for dinner.
Yes, we're doing rainbow throughout the day. This is rainbow pasta. The kids can make this too. I have teens and tweens, so they're good around the stove. Get them to make the pasta, then strain the pasta out. Put it in a reusable bag, add some fun food dye, and then you can make your own rainbow pasta. So orange, red, blue, green, that's what the Special K's made here. And then they even made a fun drink to go beside it, like a green drink. And instead of green apples on it, I actually have, of course, candy, because this is the candy house. We put like green apple rings on top of the milk. So really fun for dinner. You can put like Parmesan or sauce on the pasta too.
Yeah, bit of a, yeah, okay.
What?
It's for the kids. See, we got a bit of a sugar rush here. The Special Ks are going to be up until Labor Day.
That's why I'm sending them to your house after. Okay.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah.
The last little quick DIY that I have is Leprechaun Hats. Again, more sugar. And it's, again, if you have the stuff from the pot of gold, I like reusing some of the crafts because you don't want to be purchasing stuff and edible crafts throughout the day. So you're just going to take your little pot of gold, so the Reese's peanut butter or Rolo, a mini chocolate cookie. You're going to piece it together. You can even put the little Rolo in like the microwave for 5 seconds to melt it onto the cookie. Then you're going to grab some green icing and decorate the front. And that can be kind of your 4-leaf clover or, I mean, a green button, whatever it is. It kind of looks like a leprechaun hat, does it not?
It kind of does.
Bob's like, I'm not sure. They're really delicious though, Bob. And the kids like making them.
It's a masterpiece, Taylor Kaye.
All right, excellent.
I don't know how you do it. Where do you get these ideas?
So, you know what, we just have fun in the kitchen and we try different things out. We'll go on to Pinterest as well and we'll try and step things up. I saw the pot of gold cupcakes on graham crackers and I said, hey, how about we do this actually on cupcakes? So, and I like it better on cupcakes than graham crackers.
Yeah, well, that's going to keep the kids busy on St. Patrick's Day for sure.
Yeah, and for the week too, you know what, just some fun stuff for them to do while they're on March break. If they're at the house with the family and you're working from home, you know the kids are safe and they're being fed. Okay, sugar, but it's okay.
Yeah, what could possibly go wrong?
No, nothing at all.
Yeah. So for all these great ideas and so much more, we're going to link up all your socials at chch.com to get us through this March break and, of course, all summer long, too, as we head towards that. And we'll see lots more of you on Morning Live. Great to see you, Taylor Kaye. Hi, and good morning, Special Ks. Get up!